Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to share you the difference between the world accesses and the local or the object accesses. So when you open a 3D software, that is maybe Maya, 3ds Max, Cinema 4D, whatever 3D softwares you open, there will always be two accesses. One is the world axis and another would be the local axis. So what is the difference between both of them and how to use smartly both of these accesses so that you can be more productive and you can work smart for your animation. Hi, this is Naresh Chaudhary, India's first fashion animator mentor. And if you are watching this video or if you have visited my channel for the first time, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel for receiving all the updates about animation. This is very exclusive content which you will not find on any other animation YouTube channel. So stay tuned for all the updates. And for this video, let's get into the difference of local and world accesses. So if you see, if you open any software, this is a Maya software. And if you open this here on the bottom left corner, you will see as X, Y, and Z, right? These are the three axes mentioned in the bottom left corner. And the same axis you will see here when you select any of the control in the world mode. How to check whether it's world or axis mode? You can press Control Shift and right click. And here you have the option of object and world. So when you keep it on world, the same you will see here, whatever you see in the viewport left bottom corner, the same axis you will see in any of the object, whatever object you select. If you see this, everyone will have the same direction according to the world. Now, it's very easy to understand. If I ask you this, what is the world? In real life, if we talk about the world, all the people, the countries, the cities, and everything is included in the world, right? Similarly, when you get into the 3D thing, right, this is a 3D software. So whatever the world you create for your films or short films, everything is created in this environment, in this viewport. So this is the world for the 3D style, for the 3D software. This is the world. So according to the world, the axis will always remain the same for everybody, right? When we go to school and we learn east, west, north, south, that remains the same for everyone, no matter the object, the person, anything. Similarly, here in the world mode, the Y will always be pointing towards up, X will be the sideways, and Z will be the depth, always in the world mode. If you see any object, it will be the same for all the object, all the controls. Okay. And then when we talk about the local or the object axis, so Control Shift right click and then go to object axis. Now, why anything did not change here when I switched to object axis? Because I did not do any animation on the character yet. When I do some changes in the character's rotation or position, if I rotate this character now, if you see, the manipulator has changed. It has taken the position of this rotation. Now, according to the world, y-axis should be up. But if you see this, y-axis is going in the direction where I'm rotating the object. So this is the difference between the object and the local axis. Object axis means according to the object, the axis will change according to the object, because you don't know where the object is, what position is, how much rotation is. So on the basis of object, suppose if you are standing and you say that your head is in the north direction, when you sleep at that time, from the world point of view, that will not be the north direction, but according to you, the head is the north. So when you sleep, you change the direction, but according to you, that is the north direction because your head is facing towards that. So that is the exact same difference here. When I rotate this, now this is the local axis. So how to use this local axis? Whenever you have to move the character or any object in a particular angle, in a particular path, so you use the local axis so that it's easy for you to move in a one direction. If you see here, I can move this character in the same angle till whatever location I have to take. But similarly, but if I have to go for world axis, that means world axis never changes for anything, right? So this will be the same. But now if I have to get that position, it's very difficult because I'll keep moving like this till now, or whatever you do the adjustment, it will never get into a straight path because we are animating it in the wrong way. And whenever you have multiple objects to move, okay, when you have multiple objects, that means all the objects will have their own axes, just like we had in the character, right? His head went from top to downside. So similarly, all the objects will have different axes. If you see here, the y-axis is in this direction. If I rotate this, it will go in this direction. Here it is in this direction. Now, if you select both the things and if you have to move both the things in one particular direction, suppose you have to move both the objects in the right direction. So you can't move both the characters in that direction using the local axis because both of them are having their own separate local axes. So they will not move correctly. If you see, both of them are moving in their own y direction. Okay, if you select both and move it right side, they will not move to the right. They will take their own path, whatever their y axis was. So for that, you need to switch to the world axis. That means for the world, everything is same, as I said. Now, all the characters, objects, whatever you select, it will have the same axis. That means for both of them, now the x-axis is this one. So you can move both the things on the right side using the world axis. So this is how you can increase your productivity if you know how to use both of the things separately according to your requirement of the shot. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some clarity on using these axes. This is Naresh Chaudhary, India's first fashion animator mentor, and I will see you in the next video with some next tutorial or some new insights on animation. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you soon.